Hello everybody, my name's John and welcome to our channel. This is a very quick RC Basics tip and it's specific to this vehicle, the Q903, specific to the vehicle type, so the Q901, Q902. I don't know if any of you have had the similar problem to me, but due to where they've got the 3 wires here for the motor, getting your fingers down to turn the power off is being pretty much impossible for me. I've had to use a tool of some type to do that because it's incredibly tight for me. Some of you may not have this problem, but I have this problem, so I thought I would share the solution to you all. What I did was I took a little bit of grease. That's a lot, but a little bit. Remember with grease that, you know, the more you put on, the more you've got to take off. And I literally put it down like that. Move the switch. Well, that's a lot. Down on the other side, making sure you pack it down quite well. I'm just going to clear that off before I put it down. Take something like this, up and down several times, and then you just wipe away the excess. And there you go. And now it freely moves back and forth, on, off. So there you go, a nice quick tip for you. Maybe it makes it even a little bit more waterproof, I don't know. Anyway, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you'd like to subscribe, do so as well, and hit that notification bell for future video alerts. Have a great day today, everybody. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.